Intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young
Take
ladies.
your seats, guys. Guys,
Por
ready,
favor,
guys.
permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, flight crew, all cargo by our feet. Let's buckle those seatbelts. Once you're all buckled in, let me see you pull the yellow strap. Very good, my pilot. How about everyone else? Very good. Pull the yellow strap right there with you. Very good. There he is. Very good. Everyone push that flashing button. And have a good one.
Flight engineer, repair desk. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer. I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's pretty free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species. Time for you to go. Don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.